After Bitcoin has been seeing this beautiful move towards the upside, Bitcoin is right now getting a major rejection. Bitcoin has been seeing a break towards the downside out of this symmetrical triangle, and right now is getting a major dump back towards the downside. But do not get fooled right now. This is going to be a major trap. Yes, we have been seeing some signals of caution, but I'm going to be explaining exactly what is going to be happening next with the Bitcoin price. The stock market has been dumping and crashing back towards the downside after this news came out yesterday, so need to be talking about that exactly and much more in this update video. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into what's at short term. And yesterday, Bitcoin and the stock market has seen a significant crash back towards the downside after the PCE inflation data came in, mixed. Yesterday we have gotten this PCA inflation data over here, and yes, it came in mixed, and that was not so good. The stock market has been seeing a significant correction back towards the downside, and of course, while the stock market has been correcting back towards the downside, well, Bitcoin of course also took this major hit back towards the downside. We have been grabbing exactly that liquidity above a major level of resistance. We have even seen a few candle closes above this level of resistance. We have been closing above, but right now, we are falling right down below it again, and we are touching, this next major level of support coming in from these previous highs over here. So Bitcoin is right now basically back at a major level of support. Even if we're going to be drawing it from of these previous highs over here, you can clearly be seeing Bitcoin is right now back at the major level of support. And yes, I do think we're going to be holding above this level over here. I do think that this Bitcoin dump over here is going to be a massive trap. Now, of course, yesterday and not yesterday, but the day before, we have seen huge amount of spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. And yes, I have been saying yesterday and the day before that we should be getting a little bit more cautious at this all-time high level of resistance over here. We are seeing these high amount of spot Bitcoin ETF inflows again, and usually these high amount of spot Bitcoin ETF inflows are signaling a short-term local Bitcoin top. So I have been saying this, and yes, Bitcoin is right now correcting towards the downside ever so slightly, but once again, I do think that this is going to be a massive and perfect opportunity right now in the market. So maybe a lot of people are freaking out right now, maybe a lot of people are actually panicking, maybe a lot of people are flipping bearish again, but I actually do think that this is actually the perfect thing which can be happening for Bitcoin right now in the market. Just getting an average so slight correction from of all-time high level of resistance. It is looking very good. This is going to be the perfect opportunity right now to still get in if you still got left behind. So I'm going to be rather just a little bit more grateful actually for the fact that we are getting this rejection back towards the downside. This is going to be a perfect opportunity right now in the market, because in a longer time frame, Bitcoin is still looking extremely bullish right now. We have just been starting a new month for Bitcoin. We are still looking very good in that longer time frame. Started a new month, of course. We have started the month of November, and November is historically speaking an even more bullish month than October. We have seen an average gain of plus 42% of this month of November. Now, do keep in mind that majority of this is because of the first year of this month of November, plus 450% towards the upside. So this data is a little bit skewed, but still, if we're going to be having a look into towards a median, it's still 7.1%, which is still quite literally insane. And yes, November is going to be a very bullish month for Bitcoin historically speaking. In general, Q4 historically speaking is just very bullish, especially in Bitcoin halving years, which we are currently of course in. So I do think that this month once again is going to be very bullish for Bitcoin. Starting off the month a little bit bearish, but I still do think that this month is going to be ending off very bullish. We are about to see this Q4 continue towards the upside. I do think that we're going to be seeing some more very bullish price action, and right now this slight little dump that we are seeing in the short term is just going to be a massive trap. So do not get fooled right now. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now, make sure to be checking out these two links down below, because over on OKX, you can right now be claiming a 30% trading fee discount and a $60,000 deposit bonus. And over on Bybit, you can right now be claiming a $500 free trade and a $40,000 deposit bonus. So definitely make sure to be checking that one out exactly. Anyways, yes, today we are going to be getting some very important data. The unemployment rate. This is going to be very important economical data for that longer term. What's going to be happening? Definitely volatility is going to be inevitable whenever we're going to be seeing this data actually getting released. So do be aware that volatility is going to be inevitable, but what is going to be even more important is going to be the US elections, which are going to be coming up right now in 3 days. So yeah, it is going to be coming up very close right now, but always after the US elections, Bitcoin always goes parabolic. Regardless of what the end result is gonna be, Bitcoin always goes parabolic towards the upside after the US election. So I don't think that this time is going to be any different. I think that this time we're going to be seeing a huge rally getting initiated towards the upside once again after the US elections. We are just getting a massive breakout right now towards the upside. Do not get fooled by this ever so slight correction back towards the downside in that short term. Anyways, having a look in towards Ethereum, we just need to be talking about Ethereum because Ethereum is lagging behind so much. It is still down bad. It's still down significantly. Now, it is currently still consolidating. It's accumulated. It's an accumulation zone, right? At this huge level of support. So I do still think that Ethereum is actually a perfect buying opportunity right now at this current moment. I'm not going to be fading Ethereum. While everyone is getting bearish on Ethereum, I think that right now it's actually going to be the time to be paying attention. Of course, while everyone is looking left, we should be looking right. I think right now it's going to be a massive opportunity over on Ethereum. Eventually, I do think we're going to be breaking out bullish over here, and then a new massive rally towards the upside is going to be getting initiated. All season will really start. Now, on that larger time frame, yeah, Ethereum is creating this falling wedge pattern over here. That's looking very good. Eventually, yeah, like I said, I do think we're going to be seeing a massive breakout towards the upside. That's going to be huge. That's where I'm going to be aiming for. I'm still massively holding Ethereum over here at these current levels, still accumulating more. I think that eventually it's going to be catching up with the market. Anyways, Bitcoin on a larger time frame, on that monthly time frame, it has closed this beautiful monthly candle over here. Yeah, looking very good, breaking this downtrend over here, but I don't know what else to say about this monthly Bitcoin chart over here. It just looks perfect. It looks so good, looks so beautiful, looks so bullish. I don't know what else to say. Guys, if you're going to be bearish at this level, I do not know what to tell you. But anyways, yeah, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.